Hi investors, it's This Week in Cryptocurrency and Stocks with Invest Diva. I'm your coach Kiana Danielle, and I'll give you a 5-minute overview of these markets in just a moment. Before we get started, remember that investing in the financial markets involves a risk of loss, and you should only invest the money that you can afford to lose. Make sure to calculate your risk tolerance before selecting the assets to invest in. Make sure to watch until the end of this video and give it a thumbs up. And if you like to get my secrets on how I make my money work for me and generate passive income, don't forget to attend my masterclass by clicking in the link in the description area. Cryptocurrency is first. It's been yet another tough week for poor Bitcoin, which has experienced 2 sudden price drops over the past few days. It's currently trading around $8,000. The fall was largely because of the disappointing launch of Bakkt future market, though additional market factors have contributed as well, like Facebook shenanigans, right? Other coins have also fallen, but there are quite a few indicators suggesting prices probably could stabilize by the end of the week. This week we'll pay attention to how the G7 summit chooses to approach the perceived risk presented by the cryptocurrency industry. The meeting could have a tremendous impact on how coins are traded and exchanged between individuals in different nations. We'll also pay close attention to Facebook's continually developing Libra issues. Now, according to U.S. Treasury Secretary Mnuchin, however you want to pronounce his name, there are already signs that Facebook does not believe the coin will be able to satisfy all the regulations. Now, whether this leads to the eventual abandonment or modification of the project remains to be seen. As the cryptocurrency industry has sought to further integrate into the retail place, FXCM, my first Forex employer, has decided to issue 5 new retail-friendly coins. Additionally, players in lightly regulated markets like Switzerland have been looking for methods to bring crypto into the tourist space. South Korea, once again, has also been developing its industry. So make sure to check out my investiva.com or my YouTube channel for my thoughts on what Facebook's Libra means to the cryptocurrency world and where Bitcoin is going next. Also, if you're into cryptocurrency investing, my book Cryptocurrency Investing for Dummies is for you, and you can grab it on Amazon. Stock market news is next. After a bit of a rough week, stocks have managed to experience a modest rally. The S&P 500 is hoping to once again break the 3,000-point mark, something that traders were once hoping would represent the index fund's newest trading floor. Many of last week's financial woes came in response to the United States announcing that it would actively expand its exporting blacklist. The tightening of markets, in addition to a still bitter trade war with China, have caused the market for global capital to become noticeably less liquid. Markets were also hindered by many third-quarter earnings reports that failed to meet expectations. Elsewhere, traders are addressing a sudden price drop in many commodities markets, including the market for crude oil. Investors are also responding to the fact that an estimated $60 billion have been pulled from the stock funds and moved towards more conservative investments. The closing quarter of 2019 is one that is sure to be investing. In the retail space, Apple announced that it plans for much of its near future growth to come from the sale of a $399 iPhone. We'll watch as many of today's top retail companies attempt to win over price cautiousness of the shoppers and the investors this holiday season. This week we'll also pay attention to stocks like General Motors and Boeing, both of which are experiencing indicators suggesting a new wave of movement coming up in the horizon. I'll be sharing my personal investment strategies, specifically for stocks and cryptocurrencies, in the Invest Diva's Premium Investing Group, also known as the PIG, on Tuesday. If you like this video, like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe so you won't miss out on my next update. Now, obviously, if you want to know how I made $12,673 of passive income per month during maternity leave? Make sure you attend my free masterclass by clicking on the link in the description area. Thank you so much for watching Invest Diva and being a part of the Invest Diva movement. And remember, make your money work for you.